wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. We are the dreamers, come along, you'll see. Wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Hi kids, from A to Z, from east to west, I'm Hannah and welcome back to Dream Again. Kids, I think I have a problem. I'm on another planet, and I think that means I'm not on Earth. I mean, from the color, it doesn't look like I'm on the moon, because the moon is gray. I think I'm on Mars. Help!
T-minus 90 seconds and counting. All systems are go.
Hi, kids!
From the moon to the earth.
From Jupiter to Pluto.
I'm Noah.
And I'm Olivia.
Welcome back to
Dream Again! Yay!
We're doing a space exploration episode.
Yeah, we sure are. We're gonna go so high up into space.
Yeah. I figured since I've been telling you about my astronaut training, it's time to go into space.
I think it's absolutely time to go into space. I want to see everything. What?
I told you to bring a helmet, but what's that outfit? That you don't have an astronaut outfit?
Oh, I'm wearing my fairy outfit.
You can't wear that. I don't think I can take you over.
No, I think you can. It's the best outfit. No, fairies are magic.
And why do you have a pink space helmet on?
Because you said it's space helmet. You didn't say that it had to be any particular color. Yeah, so I figured if I'm gonna go in my fairy outfit, I should wear the pink helmet to match my fairy outfit. See, it really completes the outfit, I think. Here, look.
Can you wear something that's non-pink?
I mean, I can, but why would I want to? Right? Are you with me, kids? You're with me.
Oh, okay.
Fairies are magic. I mean, the fairy would be the best, I was gonna say person, but the best fairy creature to take into space. Okay, I'm ready. Are you ready?
Okay, this
all your fears are...
Kids, this can be... I hope this won't end in a disaster.
Don't worry, kids. Fairies are magic. I'm fine. Okay. Ready?
Ready?
I'm ready.
Okay, make sure your seatbelt's on.
Oh. I'm ready.
Okay.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Should we count down?
This is Spaceship Noah and Fairy Tale.
Fairy, just fairy.
Okay. Houston, this is Spaceship Noah and Fairy.
Go for Noah and Fairy.
Thank you. We'll do something in space, but hopefully, please, just make sure that Fairy doesn't do anything weird.
Don't worry, Fairy will be fine, and I would like to compliment her on her outfit. Nice skirt. Thank you.
Oh. Okay.
Okay.
Houston, we're ready for liftoff.
All right.
Countdown.
Commence.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Oh, hold on.
Whoa.
Are you sure you have your seatbelt on?
Yeah. Look, see, it's tight. Okay. Do you have yours on?
Yeah, I have mine on. You see?
Yeah, I don't.
Right there.
Yeah, mine. Don't worry. It's like a fairy seatbelt.
Okay.
It's in the. See this? Do you see that pink right there with that flower? The flower. Do you see the flower?
Yeah.
That's the buckle.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's a special fairy seatbelt with a flower buckle.
Okay. Did you use the restroom before?
Yeah, of course I did.
Oh, okay.
Goodness.
Just making sure.
Thank you.
Okay.
Wow.
I just want to make sure you're ready.
Are we there yet?
Okay, we're ready.
Okay.
Houston, there was a slight delay. Fairy had some questions to answer.
Sir, we heard you, Sir Noah, and
and we heard that you were actually concerned about Fairy rather than Fairy having questions, but thank you for your concern. You have a green for go.
Green for
good.
go?
Yeah.
Green for go? Houston, that's Fairy speaking. Can you please give us the green light for liftoff?
This is Houston. Green for go.
Oh, okay, good. Fairy, we can start now.
Okay, I'm ready.
Okay, ready?
Okay, from the countdown?
Yeah, from 10 again.
From 10, okay.
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 10,
10,
9,
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
And we have liftoff!
And liftoff of the Space Shuttle Discovery, returning to the space station, paving the way for future missions beyond.
Oh no!
Close your helmet! Oh no! Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm okay.
There's no sight of anybody. I need to send them a message. But how do I do that? Kids, do you know?
SOS is a Morse code. It is used as a distress code to signal danger. Its sequence is 3 dits, 3 dars, and 3 dits, just like this. Basically, 3 dits form the letter S, and 3 dars make the letter O, so SOS. But what does it say spelled out? Well, it's associated to phrases such as save our souls, save our ship, and others.
Oh, okay. I need to send an SOS signal. Okay, here I go. I guess now I just have to wait.
Ooh, wow.
Look at that.
That's amazing.
We're in space.
Wow.
Whoa.
Whoa. It's amazing.
Isn't it so beautiful?
Yeah. Oh, look, is that... I think that's a supernova. Whoa.
Look at all of the stars. Look,
Yeah.
we're passing a planet there.
Oh, that's neat. Whoa. That's so cool.
Oh, look outside of your window. Look, I think that's Earth.
Oh, whoa.
You see?
Yeah. Earth is amazing.
It is amazing.
Whoa, it looks so good.
Oh, yeah.
Wow.
Oh, and look ahead of us. It's Mars.
Whoa. It's
Yeah.
also so pretty.
We're going to be the first one to go on Mars.
That's great. Oh,
This
and
is
look-
such an important mission. This is to see if we can live there.
Ooh.
Yeah.
I think we could live on Mars. Mars
well-
sounds nice.
Yeah, we'll find out. I don't know about your fairy dress there, but we'll find out.
I would like to point out that your helmet opened while we were coming up. Mine did not, and perhaps my fairy magic kept me safe.
Well, I'm still alive, so let's see who will survive this trip.
Well, I'm still alive too, so...
Look! Oh,
What?
more stars!
Oh, wow. Oh, look, there's a shooting star. Look,
Oh.
over by you.
Yeah, yeah,
Oh,
yeah.
and it's going all the way over to my side.
Oh.
Whoa. Wow. That was so neat.
Isn't it so nice? Okay, I'll let me control and let's
Okay.
fly around, okay?
Okay.
Okay, ready? Whoa. So nice, huh?
Yeah, this is amazing. Space is like, it's so dark, but so pretty and sparkly too.
Yeah,
Like,
right?
I wouldn't
So
think it could be
nice.
all of those things at the same time.
Okay.
Okay.
Well, I think we should start getting ready for our Mars landing.
Our
but-
adventure.
Yeah, our adventure. Yeah.
Yeah.
Our Mars landing. Get ready for a landing.
All right, I'm ready.
Sorry, it wasn't that smooth, but
That I think was pretty good.
yeah.
I don't know what it's like landing on Mars normally, but
Oh, okay. Thanks.
good job.
Okay.
Yep.
Do you want to go outside first?
Yep, I'm ready. Okay.
Okay. Bye.
I have to undo my... I don't know if I trust you. Are you going to leave me on Mars?
No. You should go out first. You got the ferry on.
You know what? I'm actually not worried about it because I do have the ferry outfit on and I could fly back by myself.
Exactly.
All right, kids. Well, if Noah leaves me here, then I will see you guys as soon as I get back. It'll probably take fairy magic dust.
Yeah.
I'm gonna say 3 days. It's gonna take me 3 days.
Yeah.
So,
We can test that.
wow, Noah, you are not the nicest astronaut I've ever met.
Oh, sorry.
No, sir. Okay.
Okay.
All right, kids. See you guys next time. Bye.
See you guys next time.
Have fun.
Bye.
I'm gonna go visit Mars now.
Okay, you go.
Okay, I will. And if
Bye.
you leave me, I'm not bringing you back any Mars rock.
That's okay.
Okay, bye.
Have some.
Bye, Noah.
Bye.
Have fun. Whoa.
Time for me to leave. Woohoo!
Bye, Noah. Mars is amazing.
Bye.
Oh, look! I can see a spaceship! Noah! Olivia! Help me! My stress signal must have helped. Oh, look! It looks like they're coming to rescue me! Olivia! I can see Olivia's coming. Wait, but why is she wearing a fairy dress? Oh, I guess that doesn't matter anymore. I've been rescued! And I guess it's time for me to say goodbye! Bye, kids! Olivia, I'm here! Help me!
Hi there! If you like what you see on Dream Again, please make sure to hit the subscribe button and like us. Thanks!